It's not telling me here. Although this says 12.46, so it may be finished at that. We could always go back on and delete some more memory if we have to. Look at the flowers up top there.
Oh, yeah.
See if I can get this. They do this in Germany and Switzerland a lot.
Oh, the 2 stories?
That. No, the flowers on the little flower racks. Sorry. Beautiful garden. Yeah, I thought. Yeah, I was actually at the entrance, and I just sort of. Now we may have about 7 minutes left. I'm not sure. I can always delete some more if we get to that stage, or we can just come back on whatever day. Yeah, oops. I don't know how old it is.
A little thing there.
Huh.
There are a couple of plaques on the door too. You might want to get. Over here.
Oh, right.
That way people can look at it in case
Yeah.
there's a bit of info on there that's interesting.
Ah. Let's get this through some. This Department of the Interior comments. That must be pretty old if it's genuine. It might be fake old to go in line with the things. This is quite a nice square. Oh, I've got the wrong one, it's further up.
Oh, it is? Alright.
Yeah, next one.
Yeah, I got the one you're talking about. The one with the little corner.
Yeah.
Never had a picture together, so we needed to capture that. Sorry.
Oh, look at the squirrel. Yeah, I doubt if I'll get very close to him, but let's see.
Considering how close he is, he's probably used to people.
Yeah. Yeah, they would go a bit faster than this there where we live.
Sheep over here.
a British one further down there somewhere.
Remember that back Eels courtyard being somewhere near it.
Ah,
This whole place being a maze of like random little
Yeah.
back streets that go back and forth into each other.
excuse me. Thank you, ladies.
You know, that was 20 years ago. So
Yeah.
This place has been renovated like 3 times since then. So.
One place I'd really like to go is Helen in Georgia. We'll have to get up there sometime.
Yeah.
Huh.
There's price on that. Doesn't look like it.
Oh, these are all leather goods
Yeah,
and stuff.
handmade leather. They got a cow right there if you didn't notice.
I thought it was, yeah. I was looking at it.
Yeah, for $30, it's not that bad.
No.
Especially if it's handcrafted. You want to walk all the way down to the wall there, or did you want to call it
According
quits
to
'cause
this,
you're
I've
about
got
to run
5
out of,
seconds. So let's see what happens at the